Drink. I drink coffee every morning. I drink water during exercise. I drink tea in the evening. I drink juice with breakfast. I drink milk before bedtime. Read. I read books every evening. I read the news every day. I read stories before sleeping. I read emails every morning. I read magazines on weekends. Write. I write notes during class. I write emails every morning. I write stories in my notebook. I write messages to friends daily. I write my plans every night. Watch. I watch TV every evening. I watch movies on weekends. I watch the news every day. I watch videos before bedtime. I watch shows with my family. Play. I play football with friends. I play games after school. I play music every evening. I play chess on weekends. I play guitar at home. Cook. I cook dinner every evening. I cook rice for lunch. I cook soup in winter. I cook pasta on weekends. I cook meals for my family. Eat. I eat breakfast every morning. I eat lunch at noon daily. I eat dinner with my family. I eat fruit after every meal. I eat vegetables every day. Run. I run in the park daily. I run outside every morning. I run fast during practice. I run with friends sometimes. I run before breakfast daily. Walk. I walk to school every day. I walk in the park daily. I walk home after dinner. I walk with friends often. I walk slowly every morning. Travel. I travel to new cities often. I travel by train sometimes. I travel abroad every summer. I travel with friends on holidays. I travel to mountains every year. Change. I change clothes after work. I change my plans sometimes. I change passwords every year. I change seats during class. I change the date every month. Smile. I smile when I see friends. I smile at funny jokes. I smile at people every day. I smile when I feel happy. I smile during happy moments. Turn. I turn the light off nightly. I turn the key in the lock. I turn the page slowly. I turn left at the corner. I turn right after school. Drive. I drive to work every morning. I drive my car carefully. I drive to the store often. I drive long distances sometimes. I drive home after work. Ride. I ride my scooter very carefully. I ride the bus to school. I ride my bike in park. I ride slowly on busy streets. I ride my bike every evening. Buy. I buy groceries every Sunday. I buy fruit from markets. I buy books every month. I buy coffee every morning. I buy gifts for friends. Think. I think about my future often. I think this book is interesting. I think about my plans daily. I think this lesson is useful. I think about my family often. Send. I send messages to friends daily. I send emails every morning. I send photos to my family. I send letters during holidays. I send invitations to guests. Receive. I receive a package every week. I receive gifts on my birthday. I receive news from my family. I receive calls in the evening. I receive mails every morning. Love. I love my family very much. I love chocolate ice cream. I love listening to music. I love reading good books. I love peaceful mornings at home. Like. I like coffee in the mornings. I like reading books daily. I like quiet music sometimes. I like walking in parks. I like sunny weather very much. Hate. I hate waking up very early. I hate loud noise at night. I hate waiting in long lines. I hate cold weather sometimes. I hate bad traffic every morning. Visit. I visit my parents often. I visit museums on weekends. I visit friends every month. I visit parks during holidays. I visit my doctor yearly. Help. I help my mother daily. I help my friends with homework. I help neighbors sometimes. I help children at school. I help people in need. Teach. I teach English to beginners. I teach children at school. I teach children simple words. I teach guitar to my friends. I teach yoga on Mondays. Learn. I learn quickly with practice. I learn something new daily. I learn painting in art class. I learn photography at college. I learn cooking from my grandmother. Study. I study English every night. I study grammar at home. I study lessons before exams. I study vocabulary every day. I study quietly in my room. Answer. I answer questions in class. I answer emails every morning. I answer calls at work. I answer politely every time. I answer quickly during meetings. Start. I start work at 9. I start studying after dinner. I start my day early. I start projects every Monday. I start cooking at 6. Sleep. I sleep late on weekends. I sleep well every night. I sleep peacefully at home. I sleep better after exercise. I sleep during long trips.